Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, finally very important updates coming forward regarding the Makaut Even semester. So finally your enrollment has been started. So from now onward you can enroll, and in this video I will talk about the step by step to do the enrollment. First of all, talking about the date that enrollment start from 10th, but it is starting today and it will end by 15th. Okay, so you have to do the enrollment till 15. Talking about the step, first of all go to the regular enrollment form section. Okay, if you have backlog enrollment, then you have to go to the backlog enrollment form, but still I think backlog enrollment not started, so for you have to do regular for now. Then go to the edit and view button, and after that again a new window will appear where basically we have to do the preview. Okay, but before that you have to do the subject selection. Okay, so you have to do the subject selection and according to your routine, or ask with your teacher and do the subject selection, and after that just do the final submit, preview and final submit, then your enrollment will be happen. So this is a simple step-by-step process to do the enrollment. For getting notes, PPT and important study material, you can join our WhatsApp Telegram study group where I am sending lots of notes. Okay, and must support and subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. Hope informative to you. If you still have any query, feel free to ask here. I feel very happy to help you. So this is was just short updates. So go and do enrollment now. Thank you.